Let me tell you how bad racism is. And going on right now, just because Obama was trying to be president again, running president again. Well, I'm in Hot Springs, Arkansas, and I go to school down here. And it's more than one school in Hot Springs, Arkansas, so I can tell you not which one it is. But that's another point. Well, every morning in class, there's one man. There's a teacher of our class always brings up President Obama this, President Obama that, President Obama's a Muslim, President Obama's doing taxes this, and President Obama's doing that. It's just they want you to get mad so you can cuss them out or argue them out, just so they can kick you out. At one point in time, I got into it with one of the other students because the conversation is about racism talk, like I always do in the morning time. So I spoke up on it. I don't know if I was wrong or right, but I spoke up on it. And I spoke up on it. It got the whole school spread apart, and got the whole school that's terrorized. And if we go to school, if we approach anybody about it, he's a part of the board. So if we approach anything about it, we get kicked out of school and he destroy our life. And that's the worst thing that could happen because I got a son, and the other students got kids too. But we speak our truth for how we really feel about President Obama when we kicked out of school, and I feel that's wrong, and it's very disrespectful to the United States of America. That shows how the United States is never going to change, and never going to evolve of what George Washington said, for the people. This country is for the people. This land is for the people. America stole this land from other people as well. But there ain't nobody trying to steal this country. People come here to survive and take care of their family. It's a difference. And better the country as well. We can learn more from different people. That's how I feel. I just think it's sad that we can go to school every morning and get bitched about what we do. And president and this and that because we're black. And that's bad. Even a Hispanic get teased just because he's from overseas in Mexico. He gets talked about bad worse than anyone else. And that's really sad. And that's all I have to say. Change America. Have faith.